a list for player the way Marc Brys a convocate for that 2 match away Cameroon will play on the 6th and on the 9th of June. The list don't come out and then player they be the way they get wood, one the way they be this, and then people they ask plenty question why this one I call 5 colors, one I call this and that. Mark give una the player their list. For the list, we get goalkeeper them. Simon na Simon Gapandumbu. The second goalkeeper na Simon Omotola. The third goalkeeper na Davis Epasi. And then for defenders them, he don't convocate Yan Dibango, Darling Nyonga, Muhammadu Nagida, James Jengwe, James Eto, Guy Marcelin Kilama, Fai Collins, Flavien Boyomo, Junior Chamade, Jean Charles Castelletto. And then for midfield, we get Martin Atemenge, Actu Avom, Olivier Kemen, Boris Eno, Willie T. Yanusa, Danny Namaso. And then for attacker them, people they support for score goal because they work that. Patrick Soko, Serge Dura, Boris Fumo, Vincent Abubakar, Florian Batum and Ignatius Ganage. Now they list that way initially Marc Brys a move up. But now problem they 2 players in the way they get wound. How Marc Brys do for put their name for here we no say they get injured since 1 month. You get Ivan Dibango, if he play. You get also Junior Chamade, where Inofi play. But Tonton, so they put their name for day. Confirmation on common answer. Say they don't replace that player then. Ivan Dibango and Junior Chamade, they don't replace them with the other player them. Malcolm Bokele, where they play for that side for Gotzepe SK for Turkey, where you don't replace the left back for Stoke City. So, 9 that. And then Dibango, Ivan Dibango, the old man will go replace it. They never put them, they never go. And they see them for here. The only one will see them, only that one way. And Malcolm and Bokole way, they don't call them for replace that other one them. So, now at least that for Marc Brys, where he don't publish them for player the way they go play Uganda. They play Equatorial Guinea on the 12th of on the 6th and the 9th of next month. That's what it is.